Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I know we've been touting Torrita di Siena and it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm up on the terrace looking at this beautiful view of the Tuscan hillside. But you're probably looking online going, where's all the properties in the historic center? Because there's not a lot of them. Well, we've been looking too and kind of staying in tune with Mirko and everything else, who's the agent that we deal with. And we found a property that we think has a lot of inherent value and the price is quite low for the area. So take a look at it. Now bear in mind there's a lot of stuff in there. There's a lot of stuff in there and it's kind of difficult to see, but it's 2 beds, 2 bath, 136 I think square meters for a pretty low price, and I think because it doesn't show well, the price is very low. Check it out, guys.